Indonesian aviation authorities said Sunday that they had located the two black boxes from the Sriwijaya Air passenger plane that crashed shortly after takeoff from the Jakarta Saturday. Speaking to the reporter, Suryanto Cahyanto, head of Indonesia's Transport Safety Agency, said the divers would look for them, hoping to retrieve them soon. The device contained recordings of cockpit voice and flight data could help officials understand why the Boeing 737-500 with 62 people on board crashed. An official with Indonesian National Search and Rescue Agency, Bambang Suryo Aji, confirmed earlier that wreckage had been found from the Sriwijaya Air passenger plane. Aji said the discovery of wreckage was first reported by the local post, comment on Lancang Island, and that the debris would be sent to the National Commission on Transportation Safety. A crisis center has been set up at Jakarta's International Container Terminal GIZT2 in Tanjung Priok Harbor. Some material from the wreckage, including body parts and victims' belongings, were sent to the center and has been forwarded to the Indonesian Police Hospital. Jakarta Police spokesperson Yusri Yunus told VOA, "We really hope that the closest relatives could come to the hospital. They should take DNA tests to confirm the body parts that we have found. We also ask them to bring the medical record, such as dental record or perhaps a tattoos." VOA radio's affiliates in Pontianak, West Kalimantan reported that some family members come to Supadio Airport to find out more information regarding the plane. Some family members could not hide the sorrow and were seen crying and screaming at the crisis center staff.